Heart disease has been the leading cause of death in this country, or one of them, for the past 40 years. And it continues to escalate. It's not going down, despite the fact that we take almost the entire quantity of cholesterol drugs on the planet. Almost every cholesterol drug on the planet is taken here in the United States. We have 5% or less of the population, yet we take 90 to 95% of the cholesterol drugs, and we lead the world in heart disease. Yes, we lead the world in heart disease. What we're doing isn't working. So there's that, just looking at the raw data.